My best and excellent good morning. My name is David. I'm a physical therapist, founder at Restore Perform. I have been practicing physical therapy for the last 10 years, and I wanted to offer the market value innovation. Who are we and what do we do? At Restore Perform, we believe therapy should empower, not restrict. That's why we created a model built on independence and autonomy for both clients and clinicians. By stepping outside the limitations of insurance, we remove hidden conflicts of interest that compromise care. In our private pay concierge approach, clients receive the time, the attention, and the expertise they truly need, while therapists reclaim the freedom to practice at the highest standard without feeling rushed, without bureaucratic barriers, without management pressure, a true liaison to you and your health. So, what do you get? Clients get an informative folder and a kit. Inside this bag, this kit, they'll receive a Pedialyte so we can engage the proper electrolyte balance. You'll receive also probiotics so we can be pro gut and get you to recover from the antibiotics. We'll get you some anti-slip socks, some TheraBands, and this nice ball pressure release, this ball pressure ball that you can use. What tools do we use? We come to your home and we'll use the uneven foam pad. We'll use the slant board, thinking about ankle health and strength and flexibility so you don't fall. We'll also take care of your pain with the boot compression, take care of the inflammation, promote increase blood flow, decrease inflammation, and help promote new blood entry to the lower legs, which is the farthest part from the heart, and increase healing by taking away residuals that should be metabolized and peed out and introducing new blood, oxygenated blood, better healing. The neurodynamic work will work with you, will challenge you at the highest level that you need to. Then we'll combine that with dancing, some music, so we can get you feeling more confident when it's time to do multitasking, multi-dynamic things such as going to the airport, taking a car, or going grocery store shopping, assuming the community again. In the biohacking left, per se, we have red light therapy. It increases the metabolism between mitochondria, which is the motor of the biology in yourself, and the light and the exchange of electrons and oxygen. So this, combining it with microcurrent right over here, which is a stimulator that we invest in, and it's not cheap, but it has one particular excellent protocol called microcurrent that simulates, long story short, the salamanders regenerate their own body limbs after they get cut. And so the scientists studied the frequency, the wavelength, the quality, and the impulse, and they put that and programmed that right in here in this machine. That's why we have it for you. We combine this electrical stimulator with the nice red light therapy and get you higher results at better efficiency. We also have the shockwave therapy treatment, and last but not least, the nice dry needling acupuncture for you for those stubborn spasms and painful areas. Since we're concierge and we only think about what you want to do, what you need to do, we'll show up at your house with the mat. We'll get you confident in standing, practice the basic tactical exercises, so then you can go to the clubhouse. You can get back in it again. We've had countless of clients that have successfully gone back in their pool, back into swimming, into assuming the nice routine of how they thought their golden years would be. We'll get the AccuBoot compression to you so you can recover after you do that walk-in. Try a quarter mile with us. Try to get your profile of how your heart rate and how you feel before and after. We'll guide you and walk along with you. Get the sticks. We'll show up with the sticks to your house. We'll do walk-in if that's what you want to get back to. Plus, it's so important for visiting relatives, for the high school graduation, and management at the airport level or at the grocery store level. Let's get you back to higher performance. Specifically with this picture here, I have a video. I wanted to show it to you. We will help you in your day of flying this airplane. I mean, not getting in behind the cockpit, but what I meant to say is to getting out there and completing your destination. We'll pick you up at your house. We'll coordinate the car. We'll get you to the airport. We'll navigate the baggage. We'll do the check-in with you. We'll have you already understood and pre-done your medical waiver if you need a doctor to see you for the fit for fly. It depends if you're on oxygen or not on oxygen. And we'll consult with you on how to successfully get to your home. We've had some clients that get hurt here in Florida. Then they rehab here, and then we fly with them inside the airplane and we deliver them to their house. We'll do TSA assistance for you. We'll navigate with the staff at the airport and get you safely in front of your house. All within the Concierge clinical airside physical therapy. But how do we get you there? We need the technology. We'll videotape you also at your beginning, squatting, at your sitting to stand, your awareness, and you'll get to see good things and things to correct. We'll also start navigating and getting you more confident and pivoting. Very key when we're doing management of community ambulation, sidestepping. This is where the dancing also connects with the tactical thinking. That rhythm, balance, coordination, single leg standing connects with walking. And that walking, we can put it, might just be falling with grace, with style, with faith. That one heel will be there after the other. So once we get that understood, then the client opens up the packet, and in this packet is a nice letter that identifies how important our personalized coaching is. And we are health coaches to your house as well. As therapists, we are as well. And we like metabolic thinking, metabolic resiliency. We talk about it here. We'll give you some printout about it. And we explain how we're going to also evaluate you on 0 to 100 and quantify in a percentage where you are at compared to your same peers of the same age, your function. So the first page that you'll see after this one is the metabolic resilience. What does it mean to be balanced in minerals, hydration, and protein? How much should you take? To the left here is how much based on your body weight, the mathematical calculations, and then to the center, a justification of why this is important and why we want you, the client, to take ownership of how you're drinking daily, what decisions of food you're taking, and to challenge your own perceptions that food is medicine. And it's really strong here, important in your healing. Then we'll go into the physical aspect of thinking, the tactical therapy. We identify muscle groups here. They're not that many, but they're so important that if we get this to do 20% of the work, it'll recover and it'll take care of 80% of the results. So that's tactically thinking. What can benefit us most? Here is where the client reads, empowers thyself on this. And then the next page is the movement of the fascia. The kit includes the ball to release sore areas, pressure areas. We justify why this is important to the left, and then to the center, a nice evidence-based connection of why this is important. And at the bottom, a QR code. So it can be scanned, and the client has a video to support. Also thinking about videos and follow up at the home exercise programs. Here's to the left the benefits of it, to the right description, to the right a photo, and at the bottom, last but not least, a QR code. Again, at Restore Perform, we want to connect the empowerment of the client through information, the empowerment of internet, QR codes, and follow through at home, and also the metabolic resilience thinking so that you can get back to your home, you can take the airplane back, you can get back to your hobbies, and you can enjoy your life at the golden years for as highest quality as you can for as long as you want. So again, I wanted to thank you. My name is David. I Restore Perform Physical Therapy. I'm a licensed health coach as well. I'm licensed dry needling applicant, owner of this beautiful company, and I want to bring you the best with my staff who are well paid and who like what they do because they have freedom from insurance pressures and they are independent in their way of reasoning, thinking, and applying. So I wanted to offer this presentation. Thank you very much. And I just hope that we can have a lunch and learn, or me get to know you, or offer you the services and get you to a better place. Have an excellent day. Take care.